sponsor, acting librarian, the provost, College of Medicine, University of Lagos, members of council here present, the deans, the faculties, directors, heads of departments, colleagues, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As the opening ceremony has been that colorful, we expect that the rest of the day will remain that colorful. And it is my honor and pleasure to declare the carnival open. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. We are honored to have you too. May God bless you. Thank you, Creative Arts students. Thank you to all members on the high table. Thank you to the teaching and